All right, for excellence, you need to have your 4B Maths textbook with you for this lesson. Okay, and I want you to turn to page 77 for the lesson on symmetry. All right, now, so let's begin. Okay, now I want you to ask yourself these questions. All right, take a look at the picture. What do you notice about the pictures seen hanging in the gallery? Now, if you have your parents or your siblings over there, all right, maybe you'd like to share with them, all right, what do you notice about the different pictures? There's a star, there's a butterfly, there's a snowflake, there's a beetle, okay? And now, after watching the video yesterday, all right, what do you think the word symmetry means? Okay, now, so Ravi has actually made a symmetric figure. Now, what is a symmetric figure? Now, the girl on his left has also cut out a shape. It looks like a shape of a crab, all right? So, do you think that the cutout of the crab is symmetric? What do you think? All right, now let's turn to your textbook on the next page. Sorry. Okay, so now you'll turn to page 78, all right? Let's take a look at this figure over here. Okay, you will see a heart, all right? And you will notice that the heart is able to fold into two equal halves, and both halves actually fit exactly. And so this heart is actually a symmetric figure, okay? Now, so I want you to highlight the word symmetric figure in your textbook over here. All right, now, so that the four line, all right, over here is actually called a line of symmetry, okay? Now, is there any other way to fold this heart shape into two equal halves? All right, so there's only one way to fold this heart shape into halves. So I will say that this heart shape has only one line of symmetry. Okay? All right, let's look at part B. Okay? Now, for the rectangle, you will notice that there are two ways to fold it into halves that fit exactly. All right, so this rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Now, one line of symmetry goes across horizontally, and the other line of symmetry goes down vertically. So, in this figure, which is the rectangle, there is more than one line of symmetry. Okay, now let me show you, all right, what I mean. Now, so there is this rectangle over here. Okay, I can either fold it this way, all right, so that's one line of symmetry, and then I can fold it the other way as well. Okay, so that gives me two lines of symmetry. All right, now some of you might be asking, what about if we fold it diagonally? So that means we draw a line over here, okay? Oops. Okay, diagonal line. Do you think this line is a line of symmetry? Now let's try. I'm going to fold it now. Oh, do you think the two parts match? No, of course they don't. So this diagonal line here is not a line of symmetry. Now there are only two lines of symmetry for a rectangle, and one goes down like this, and the other one goes down, goes across this way. Okay,